if you need to hide those pesky cables that are behind either your table or from your computer or your TV or whatever, check out Sleek Socket. So this was given to me by the brand. Thank you so much. So they gave me several of them. I'm going to show them to you. It's very cool. It's essentially, this is how it would look like the before, and then this is the after. So it comes with this. So it basically, it's like a plug. You plug it into the outlet, and then it basically has a an extension cord with various plugs inside. So yeah, so they have different sizes. They have like these, they have this one. The extension cords sometimes are longer, shorter, more plugs. Some of them have less plugs. So they gave me several, so you can check out the one that you like. It's very nice to clean up the cables in the back. You know, they're just like me, like I have a ton of cables over there on the other side of this camera with my computer and just plugs everywhere. So I've been using the Sleek Socket. It's nice because it covers like the socket itself. Like it'll cover this so it doesn't show, and it's just like a little plain, you know, it just looks like that. And it's very nice. So hope you enjoy, hope you check them out. There's different types. Thank you again, Sleek Socket, for the product, and hope you enjoy it.